हम घर से बाहर जाते वक्त सिक्योरिटी की पूरी तैयारी करके निकलते तो हैं, लेकिन इन मोहतरमा ने अपने लिए कुछ खास ही इंतजाम कर रखे हैं। जब ये घर से बाहर रहती हैं, तब भी घर से इनका संपर्क पूरी तरह बना रहता है, वो भी केवल एक मोबाइल फोन के जरिए। घर पे किसी के इंट्रूड करते ही इन्हें तुरंत पता चल जाता है और वो तुरंत कार्रवाई कर सकती हैं। जाहिर है इनके घर पर कोई हादसा होने से बच गया।
अब गाड़ी चोरी करने वालों की खैर नहीं है। मौका पाते ही गाड़ी चुराकर रफू चक्कर हो जाने वाले अब तुरंत पकड़े जा सकते हैं और ये मुमकिन है व्हीकल ब्लैक बॉक्स डिवाइस के चलते। ये ब्लैक बॉक्स अब बाजार में आ चुका है। दरअसल व्हीकल ब्लैक बॉक्स में एक सिम लगाया गया है जो गाड़ी के साथ होने वाली हर छेड़छाड़ की जानकारी आपके सेल फोन पर SMS के जरिए दे।
A special test drive for Kiran Karnik, the boss of NASSCOM, the apex body of software companies, is checking out a special device attached to this car. The smart box, so to say, strapped to the carburetor has a SIM card, and that virtually is a genie. You can start or shut the car, control its speed, and even locate it on the move.
If anybody having any emergency inside the vehicle, they have got various emergency buttons. The emergency button doesn't end only in bringing the sound outside or inside, which it will do. Along with that, it will also send a signal to the control. Control can be police, control can be the company, control can be the security provider. So that the rush of the help can come immediately to the vehicle as well as to the people inside the vehicle.
But security is very important, and taking care of people is something which this industry has done very well to continue to do that. We will certainly look at costs and see how can we do something to optimize the cost.
It might look like a normal car, but this car can be controlled from anywhere in the world using this simple mobile instrument. It has its place in the BPO industry.
What's the buzz, we are asking, in Micro Technologies, a company known for its niche product. A product which it recently launched, a very special one called Vehicle Black Box. Again, that has a huge demand coming up for you. I can tell you the management is with us. Mr. P. Shekhar, CMD of the company. Thanks so much for joining us, Mr. Shekhar. Good to have you in our studios. I understand that your product is selling like hot cake, but how are you actually going to meet up with the last mile? Are there plans to set up retail operations?
This product we started about 1.5 years back. We did a test run for almost 6 to 8 months. Had it accepted from all quarters, India and globally. We are setting up a huge dealer, distributor, agent network. The distributor takes care of the region, and there is a host of dealers which are going to take care of on the regional basis. We got distributors in about 4 countries already set up. In India, we are setting up distributors on a state-wise basis. About 6 states we have already set up distributors. And we are setting up a 5,000 dealer network, out of which 800 dealer network is already in place. Along with this, we are also setting up a 300 service centers to take care of the last mile problem, which is what is crucial in any hardware industry.